In this video, we're going to be looking at Action, Interactive, and Keyboard. From the main menu, type Main. Let's take a look at the keyboard. We're going to be looking at Action and Interactive as well. It's three ways of doing the same thing. Let's find the summation. From the keyboard, let's go to Math 2 tab. Open up the summation. There's my summation template. X from 1 to 10. Tap around. The expression we'll be looking at is 1 over x. Once you're done, press Execute. There's your answer. Next, let's do the same thing in the interactive mode. Tap on Interactive, Calculation, Summation. Here, you're going to get a template. This template allows you to fill it in like you would by just answering some simple questions. So fill out each part of the template. 1 over x, your variable is x. Your lower limit is 1. Your upper limit is 10. We're going in increments of 1. Okay. Notice you get the same answer. Remember how to change the answer to a decimal. Highlight, tap decimal, and tap decimal back, gets you back to a fraction. Another way to do the same thing is with interaction. Interaction allows you to do the same operation, but you need to know some syntax. The syntax is going to be 1 over x is the expression we're looking at. The variable is x, starts with 1, ends with 10. We could also put in an increment of comma 1. If you leave the increment off at the end, the calculator is going to assume you're going in steps of 1. So there's three ways of doing the same thing. To see what you've just done, use the scroll bar on the side by just tapping and holding and moving up or down. To make the keyboard go away, press Keyboard. Let's clear the main menu. Clear all. Calculator has a computer algebra system. What a computer algebra system allows you to do is solve algebraic equations. For example, you can go into Interactive, Equations and Inequalities, Solve, type in an equation. X plus 3 equals 7. Variable in our case is going to be x. You can solve this algebraically or solve numerically. We'll use the solve algebraically to do it the first time. There's your solution. You could also do it using the template equation, solve, x plus 3 equals 7. And we're solving for x. I'll show you a shortcut in a second. Execute. A shortcut to use is being able to drag and drop a shortcut you can use is being able to drag and drop different equations from different parts of the screen. So for example, we'll pull up the solve command from the action menu. We want to solve the equation we had in the first one, including all the syntax. Tap and hold, drag down, drop. Select by tapping and holding, release, tap and hold, drop. That time we got a little extra. Let's get rid of the extra. Close your parentheses, press Execute. So now we can do things like we'll take the x plus 3, put that in our numerator. We'll take the answer 4, put that in our denominator. Take the operation solve, drag and drop to the beginning. Equals 4, comma x, close, execute. Let's try another one. Let's do an integral. We'll integrate the same equation or function in terms of x, limits of integration, there you have it. Derivatives work the same way. Tap the derivative. You can either type in or you can drag and drop our function, execute. You can do this with any function that you have on your calculator.